is Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of the beautiful crew. So I'm standing here in my kitchen next to my very antiquated oven that probably needs to be in the Smithsonian. Why? It's because the holiday season is upon us and Thanksgiving is like right around the corner. So that means these things here, they're going to be going into overdrive. But do they really have to? If you may remember one of my other videos, I showed you how I cheated for Thanksgiving. So I'm here to give you a couple of ways that you can cheat for Thanksgiving or the holiday season in general, so that you can spend more time with your friends and family, because quality time counts too. All right, so let's get ready. Let's check it out. Let's go. So I'm here on my computer and I see that 2 of my recommendations have already sold out, but I'll mention them anyway. They are Boston Market and Costco. So Boston Market was on my list, but as you can see, it is sold out for all the options that they give for holiday meals. It is a bit pricey at $139, but it is a nice option. But unfortunately, it is sold out. My next choice was Costco, but once again, this one is also sold out. They sell it for $99. You see there was a special on there where you got $20 off. But otherwise, it's a good deal. You can keep it in mind for maybe next year or even at the holidays. So on to my list of the ones that are still available. My number 5 is the Popeyes turkey, the Popeyes Cajun turkey. For this, you only get the turkey, but it's pretty good. I had it a couple of years ago, and I haven't gotten it because they don't allow you to order online, and I'm an online girl. I'd rather order online than going in person or calling on the phone. But that is the way you have to order the Popeyes Cajun turkey if you want it in store or by phone. My next option is Omaha steaks, and once again, it is pretty pricey. For the entire turkey dinner is $179, which is $180 in my book, so that is definitely pricey. But it does look like it is still available, and these are some of the options that you can get with the meal. You get all your sides, and then further down you'll see you can get dessert as well. But at $180, I don't know about that. I've never tried them before, pretty much because of the price. And you'll see my top one later on, and you'll see why. Alright, so let's move on to my next one, which is Wegmans. And you see they give you a couple of different options. You can have the turkey hand carved, just a regular turkey, or the ham. And for the hand carved, that is $155, and for the regular turkey, it's $140. And those are some of the options that you can get along with the turkey. It looks pretty good. Once again, I have not tried this one. It is a bit pricey, which is the reason why I haven't tried it. My next one is Harris Teeter. I have tried them before, and you can see the pickup dates there. They have a couple of different meals as well. You can get the turkey dinner for $59.99 or the ham dinner for $59.99. And further down, you'll see they give you another option. I really don't know what the difference is. Apparently, they just fix it in store or something with the chef-prepared holiday meals, which is a little bit more costly because it is fresh prepared by their chefs. And you see there that turkey dinner runs about $79 or $80, as well as the ham dinner. You see a big difference from those that are in the hundreds, so this one might be a good option as well. And I have tried them before, they're pretty good. Here's my number 1 option. This is my go-to one. I go to Giant Food. I live here on the East Coast, so Giant is available, and these are their holiday dinner options that they have. I always choose the full holiday dinner where you get the full turkey along with the sides and dessert and rolls. And as you can see, it runs about $70, $69.99. And that's the deal that I usually go with. Last year when you saw my videos, I cheated once again for Thanksgiving, and that's where I got my meal from Giant. To me, this is the best option. The price is not that bad. It serves enough people. If you look here, this is everything that you get. Those are your sides. And you can order for either Thanksgiving or Christmas, and you can see the dates are there as well. So again, this is my top choice here for my Thanksgiving meals. Let me know what you choose. Alright, so let me know what you decide to do. Are you going to use one of the top 5s? Is there some place in your area that's different from one of the places that I listed? Let me know in the comments. Are you going to cook Thanksgiving with your friends and family in your kitchen? Or are you going to cheat? Again, let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. And as always, continue to live beautifully. Thank you, everyone. Bye.